Joey.
We're about to be playing those, what's up?
Tell the folks what we're doing today.
We're about to go fishing on the yaks.
On the yaks, baby.
Oscar.
Hopefully,
Catch some big ones.
hopefully we'll catch one this time.
Hopefully, maybe
Probably not, but we'll see. We're out here right before a storm hits, getting pretty ballsy, sprinkling a little bit. Let's see what we can do. Send it. Oh, it's starting to rain. Oh, this is a horrible idea. This is a horrible idea. Let's see if we can crack one before it rains, bro. Who am I kidding? It's already raining. What if we just get absolutely ripped up, dude? I'm cold. Oh, I had a hit, dude. He hit it. He freaking slapped it, dude.
Oh, God.
Ah, dude, this rain is cold. No way. Oh, he spit it. What was that, second cast? Oh, bro, he hit it again. Come on. There he is. Got him. Got him, bro. Bro, if it doesn't rain any harder than this, we're staying out here. Oh, dude, he's a good one. He's a good one, man. Look at him, look at him. Bro, he's a good one.
Get him up.
Dude, that is a chunky fish.
That is good.
Oh. Hey, we're not going to get a treble in the hand. That's what we're not going to do. What do you think he is? 3? Another one? Ah, you missed it. There we go. Let's get a good little release on him. There we go. See you, buddy. Oh, dude, that water's warm, man. Yeah. Let's see if we can get another one. Dude, it's starting to howl, man. Oh. Dude. Dude. Yes, it is. Are you kidding me? Do you know who we are? Come on, fish. Another one, dude. Another one. Let's go. Okay, let's see if we can get him off real quick. Dude, my phone's gonna be soaked.
Yeah, that's what I'm worried about.
All right, boys, we tried. We got soaked.
It was a little too wet.
Absolutely pouring outside.
But we tried.
Caught a couple. Well, Joey's in an absolutely horrible mood like always. Oh, I love wet grass. Oh, yes. Oh. All right. I can't believe you forgot a jacket.
Why didn't you think this would be cold?
There's something called a weather radar?
Yeah, they checked it.
Obviously not. Obviously not. There's one. There we go. On the board. Thanks, little guy. There's one right there. There you go, guys. Little one. It could be, but I think hole 1 is right by the clubhouse. That's what I would think. There's one. Look at this bluegill. Oh my goodness.
Bigger than that bluegill.
Oh. Yo, look at this freaking bluegill. Spot number 2. Oh, Jesus. My shoes are still soaked. No way. On the fluke? I knew it. Right when it hit the water. Little tiny one. I'm just kidding. Good one. Oh, I missed a good one, dude. There's one, guys. Feels like a pretty good one. I can't move him. Joey, I got a good one on, dude. Coming at me. Unless he's down in the grass. Here you go. There's one. Got a couple hits on the chatterbait so far. Thank you, buddy. Ah, he hit it right there. Missed him. Well, hi, ducks. How are you today? That's good. And probably fish a Senko over there in that grass. Because this ain't working. This is not working. This is a pretty good one. First one. There we go. Not too bad.
Good start.
Not too bad. That's what I like to see.
Sir.
Yeah, my rod just completely in the water.